What's up, gentlemen? Some days you just don't feel like messing with your hair. Maybe you're running late, or maybe you're just feeling a little bit lazy. Today's video is for you. Feeling lazy is no excuse for having whacked hair, and today I'm going to show you how to have amazing flowing locks of luscious amazingness even if you're lazy, because I'm going over 5 hair hacks every lazy guy should know. The first hack for lazy dudes is all about bedhead. If you're lazy, I'm assuming you're sleeping until the very last minute. And so what happens? Of course, you wake up, you're like, crap, I gotta get out of the house, but your hair looks like a chicken. So what do? Typically, you'll put your head under the sink and try and wet your head in order to get your bed head to lay down. The problem with this is then your hair's all just messed up. Instead, grab a washcloth, bring it out, and then take the damp washcloth and pat your head. Chicken head lays down. Every dude needs 2 hairstyles. One hairstyle when you got time, when you're willing to give it a little more love. Another hairstyle, though, needs to be fast, it needs to be quick, it needs to be ready, and still look amazing. Classic side part is a perfect lazy man hairstyle because it's quick, it's easy, and in my opinion, it looks great on everybody. All you're gonna need to do is grab your hair product. I am using the Pete and Pedro Putty, which is an incredibly versatile hair product. It's a high hold. You got to make sure you emulsify it, guys. All of your hair product, you need to emulsify. This distributes the hair product and warms it up, heats it up, and gets it ready to actually go into your hair. Once your hair product is applied, then you're going to grab a comb and you're going to find your part. Place the comb on the center of your nose and then go through the center of your eye, right up at a diagonal, all right? Go up and over. This is the perfect placement for a part. It's aesthetic and it follows the contours and lines of your face. And all you gotta do, comb it into place right there, boom, you're out the door. When your hair starts to dry a little bit, you can come in and break it up a little bit and it will soften the hairstyle. But the side part is an amazing go-to hairstyle that literally takes like 2 seconds. One of the reasons why the Pete and Pedro Putty is so perfect is that it's so incredibly versatile. You can use it to create hairstyles that have incredible hold, incredible volume, but it's also amazing for doing side parts and slick backs. If you haven't checked out Pete and Pedro in a while, we have a lot more than just incredible hair products. Go to the site, there's a link down below, and go and read the reviews. We've got incredible body washes, we've got toilet spray, we've got shave products, we've got everything you and your grooming needs would require to look super dynamite, handsome, and always amazing. So this next lazy guy hair hack is all about having greasy hair, right? If you haven't showered for a day, possibly 2, or depending on how greasy or oily you are, your hair can get a little bit nasty, especially if you have some product buildup on it. And so if you want a quick way to actually make your hair look less greasy, all you gotta do is grab a little bit of baby powder, right? Put a little baby powder in your palm, and then what you're gonna do is just start to rub it into your hair, all right? Right there, right there. And what's happening is the baby powder is actually absorbing some of the oil and nastiness and making your hair appear lush, light, and soft. The next lazy guy hair hack is for you dudes out there that want more volume without the extra work. A simple solution is to use a pre-styler like the Pete and Pedro Sea Salt Spray as soon as you get out of the shower before you actually apply your hair product and style it. The way that it works, take your salt, boom, 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 and then you're just gonna style like normal. I'm gonna be using the Pete and Pedro Putty, of course. Emulsify and then apply the product, get it down to the root, and then it's time to dry. The salt has been an absolute game changer for me and my hair. I don't have to put as much product. I don't need to keep touching it and messing with it all day long because this stuff adds incredible texture and volume to your hair. It all comes in 8 ounce, but it also comes in travel size. For you dudes who are like, yo, I'm not sure, give this a try. Below this video, there's a link to peteandpedro.com. There's also a discount code. If you want to try the putty, you want to try the salt, you want to try anything that we sell, that discount code is hooking you up. All right, so check it out. Look at all that volume and notice that the hair isn't like wet and crunchy. It's super soft, pliable, and luscious. Now, if you want to lock your hair into place, what I'll do a lot of times is take just a very small dab of the putty, right? Emulsify it, and then just sort of get it in there to lock it into place. I twist it a little bit, and boom. Now, if you're somebody who doesn't want your hair to move all day long, set it and forget it, gentlemen. The 5th lazy guy hair hack is definitely something you're gonna wanna try. It involves a high hold, high quality hairspray. Take the hairspray, cover your forehead, because you don't want to get the hairspray on your forehead or else it could cause pimples and breakouts. And so cover your forehead and just give it a light little misting, right? You don't need to touch it. If you want to come in real quick while it's wet and just make it perfect, that's fine. But the deal is this: once you hit it with a high hold hairspray like the Freeze, guys, your hair is locked. It's not moving all day long. But the trick is you got to keep your hands out of it, because if you're somebody who is used to coming in and multiple times a day touching it and fixing it and playing with it, it's kind of hard to break that habit. But when you hit it with the hairspray, guys, it's locked, it's loaded, it is ready for you to kick the day's ass.